video, I'm going to show you how to replace the blower fan and the resistor inside of a truck. My name is Rick Barnes, you're watching Fix It Rick, so let's fix it. So where the glove box is underneath, this is where the fan is. But the fan and the cat is right there. Say hi, Pumpkin. Everybody loves you. What do you got to say? Say, that's what he's got to say. Underneath the glove box, you'll be able to locate the fan and the resistor. You want to find the electrical connections, press the tab and pull. So this truck requires a Phillips head screwdriver to remove it. Now that we've removed the blower, let's go ahead and get the resistor. Ooh, that thing is cooked. And that is a cat. Yeah, you can see all the corrosion on it. It's no good. Let's put the connector back into the resistor. So the blower fan is shaped in a way so that you can fit it in just one way. Now let's reconnect the motor. Our air conditioning has returned. If you need that blower and that resistor, I'm going to leave a link in the description below so you can buy it. Thanks for tuning in to Fix It Rick. Hit the subscribe button, leave a comment below, and always remember that Jesus Christ loves you, and only He can solve your biggest problem.